Playing music is fun. Learning piano can be a wonderful hobby. It offers a creative outlet, a way to relax and unwind, and a sense of accomplishment as you improve your skills and learn your favorite tunes. Learning piano can be an exciting and rewarding hobby. It offers a creative outlet for expression, improves cognitive abilities such as memory and concentration, and provides a sense of accomplishment as skills progress. Additionally, playing the piano can be a relaxing and therapeutic activity, relieving stress and promoting emotional well-being. Overall, it combines artistry with mental stimulation, making it a fulfilling pursuit for enthusiasts of all ages. Learn and enjoy. Learning piano is a fulfilling hobby that can be enjoyed at any age and brings joy to the player and those listening. Learning to play the piano has numerous benefits that extend beyond just musical skills. Here are some fundamental facts about the importance of learning piano. For children, learning the piano at a young age can enhance cognitive development, improve coordination, and foster discipline and patience. For teens and young adults, playing the piano can also be a creative outlet, a stress reliever, and a way to express emotions. It can also boost confidence and self-esteem. For homemakers, learning the piano can be a fulfilling hobby that provides mental stimulation and a sense of accomplishment. It can be a way to relax and unwind. For retired and elderly people, playing the piano can help maintain cognitive function, improve hand-eye coordination, and provide engaging activities. Playing the piano engages multiple brain parts, improving memory, spatial temporal skills, and overall cognitive development. Music allows for emotional expression and can be a therapeutic outlet for stress and anxiety. Learning piano often involves studying various music styles and historical contexts, broadening cultural understanding. Studies have shown a correlation between musical training and higher academic performance, particularly in mathematics and language skills. Through achievement and performance, mastering a musical instrument builds self-esteem and confidence. Ultimately, playing the piano can be a source of joy and personal fulfillment, providing lifelong enjoyment. Overall, anyone can learn to play the piano, and the benefits extend beyond musical skills to mental, emotional, and social well-being. I am introducing myself as a dedicated piano teacher who passionately teaches piano. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your piano skills, you will find personalized guidance and support. Anyone can join us today. Discover our unique teaching methods and how we can embark on this musical journey together and explore the world of piano by creating beautiful music.